Before we invite Pollyanna up to sing, we would like to tell you a bit about Elizabeth's Legacy of Hope, the charity we are raising money for.
Elizabeth's Legacy of Hope was set up by my mum and my Aunt Victoria to help amputees in developing countries. We've done a number of fundraisers, from fun runs in Sierra Leone to local school cake sales, and now charity concerts. The charity is dedicated to my grandmother, Elizabeth, who died in the collision in 2007. I am Pollyanna's older sister, Sapphire.
My name is Edie, and my family have been best friends with the Hopes since my brother Joshua and Sapphire and Pollyanna's brother Barnaby started primary school together in London. Today is Barnaby's 15th birthday.
My parents are so thankful for all the care that amputees receive in this country that we decided to help other children in developing countries whom there is no care. Our surname is Hope, and we have set up Elizabeth's Legacy of Hope.
Since May 2011, we have set up limb clinics in Sierra Leone, Liberia, Tanzania, and mobile clinics in India. We provide counselling, physiotherapy, limbs and education to amputee children who would otherwise be rejected by their communities. In Sierra Leone, we provide business grants to help the families out of the cycle of poverty.
Thank you so much for helping us here. Thank you so much for having us here tonight. Please help us to give hope and love to all the amputees who would otherwise have nothing.